How to auto reset after 20 incorrect attempts on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on secure lock settings. Then enter in your current PIN and tap on continued. After that, we go down and tap on auto factory reset. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And after that, if you go to your lock screen and if you attempt to put in 20 incorrect PIN, so here, so if I put in after 20 incorrect attempts, the phone will basically lock itself. So here it says too many incorrect attempts. I need to wait for 30 seconds. And even after the wait, it will continue to count up to 20 times. Once you have reached that limit, it will automatically reset your phone. It can cause all your data to be erased and you will lose everything on your phone. Unless you have backed them up, automatically auto backup to the cloud, or you have already backed up your data to your computer. Here we've got 1 second left, so I'm going to enter in the correct pin this time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.